Oops. I know this is a completely different video than what you guys are used to seeing me, but I wanted to try something new on this channel with us since I have recently hit the age of 22. What I wanted to do was I was thinking, well, let's do a cocktail of the month. So once a month, I'll be making a video just like this, a more real life video, not so much our gaming stuff, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cocktail, or I'm gonna make a cocktail. If you guys wanna try making it, great. If not, cool. And the best part is I'm gonna be making my mom try my cocktail, and I'll tell you what, I am no mixologist, okay? So we'll see how this goes. And just to make it more fun, we do have a second camera angle right here. How's it going? I'll be picking it up, moving it around as we need when I need ingredients. These are the ingredients that we need for this cocktail. It is called Caribbean water. I found it on Pinterest. I am very excited to try it. The main thing that caught my eye on it was it's the color green, which is my favorite color. So let's make the drink. I'll flash a photo of the drink too, so you guys kind of know what I'm making, because this might turn out to be a complete disaster. I have no idea. And I'll be honest, I actually don't even have the actual recipe. So we're gonna kind of be guessing on all the stuff. So anyway, let's get our what do you want to call it? Our glass. I have it chilled. That's what that cool. Oh, well, yeah, that looks fine. It looks kind of all right. Huh. Well, you know, here's our glass. Here's our glass. It's chilled, as you guys can see. It's been chilled. So what we're gonna do now is I'll make some room for you guys now. So. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Out of the way. So we have our glass. What else do we need? All right. So I guess we're just gonna start out with our Malibu original white rum with coconut liqueur. If you are under the age of 21, do not drink this. Anyway, I guess we can make it as strong as we want, and with a glass of this size and caliber, I guess what we're gonna do is we'll, oh yeah, it smells delicious. It smells like coconut. We're gonna take a full shot of this. Dump it in there. Another shot. Dump it in there. Boom. Okay, we're gonna see. And then we have sweet melon schnapps. Sweet melon schnapps is what's gonna give it that green color. I don't really know how I feel about melon. It's not even like a specific melon. It just says melon. It doesn't even say like, it just says sweet melon. I don't know. Like, I'm assuming that's cantaloupe. Oh no, that's a honeydew. I'm assuming it's honeydew flavor. We don't know. I don't know what melon flavor is. Is it honeydew? Oh, it smells like all the melons. All right, and here's what's gonna give it that green color. We'll do 1, 2, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our ice in. Hang on, I don't have the ice out. Just wait, guys. Now, sadly, I'm not a fancy dude. I'm not a fancy dude. We're just gonna be using an ice tray, sadly. I don't have nice, thick cut ice. What am I, a Norski? I'm not a Norski, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then, if it's this simple, we'll top it off with a bunch of Sprite. Give it a good stir and mix in there. Oh my gosh, I don't even... Where is it? What the heck, guys? Hang on, timeout. Technical difficulties. I got him. Everyone calm down. No worries. We're okay. Looks like green. It looks like a green beer. We're gonna add a little bit of our do you call it garland or garnish? But we don't even, I didn't think too far ahead of this, and I couldn't think of too much. I didn't think about putting garnish in this drink, which I'm assuming we could have put, well, hang on guys. I'm all over the place. Here we go. Put a little cherry in there for us. Well, it's actually for my mom. But I will be obviously making another one for myself, and we will then try it. How do you... There we go, hang on. Oh! Umbrella down. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Boom. Get your little in there like that. Get a little straw action going. Oh God. Can't even open it. Oh, there we go. Boom. What color do we want? We'll stick with the same color. We'll go blue. We'll go with a nice little blue color to top her off. To top off our drink of the month. Again, once a month I'll be doing this. Anyway, to top off our drink of the month, we'll put we're good. We'll put our cherry in there. We'll maybe get a little bit of cherry juice in there. For some... The heck? Yes. All right. Now that we have gotten our cherry in there, sunk to the bottom. Don't know what that means. It means it's probably toxic. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a small. Before we give it to my mother, we're gonna give it a small try, and we'll see what happens. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'll tell you what. It's a little bit on the sweeter side. But I'll tell you what, if you want some tropical effing water, that's it. Now that might give you the biggest hangover tomorrow morning, and that might give you some gut rot. But if you're okay with those things, which I am, that's a good drink. That's a really good drink. That is so good. Here, let's get on this camera right here. That is a really, really good drink. Now, as plain and as boring as it might kind of look, it is truly, oh, let's fix the umbrella. It is truly a really kind of good drink. Very tropical, very coconutty, melony, sweet. It kind of hits that tropical itch. If you got a tropical itch.
If you have a tropical itch, please call 911, please.
That's your ointment. That's your ointment right there. Holy guacamole, that's good. Again, it looks a little bit basic. It looks a little watered down. But, again, it's nothing too special, and that cherry was a little, that cherry was a little, it was a, what do you want to call it? It was a Tux Hyper Special. I added it myself. I added to this. So I'm gonna call this, now we're gonna go give it to my mother to try it, and let's see how that goes. Look out for some upcoming vlogs in the future too, because I'm kind of excited. I have some ideas coming to the future. But other than that, here we go. It's called Caribbean water.
It tastes like I'm in the Caribbean. Coconut and melon.
Yeah. Well, you can see the ingredients.
Oh yeah. Well, no, I don't see coconut. Oh yeah. Very good, very pretty. I think it would be, oh, we should do like crushed ice in it.
Yeah.
That would be good.
Yeah, sadly I didn't really think about extras.
The ice and stuff, yeah. No, it is really good. And what is this, like Musk, what is this?
Schnapps.
Sweet melon schnapps. Oh, but it's honeydew.
No, it's just sweet melon. That was what I was telling everyone before. I said I don't even know what melon this is. I said that's a honeydew melon, obviously, but it just says melon. It doesn't say anything about honeydew. It only says
Yeah, but the taste to me is honeydew.
I'm sure it is.
But yeah, very interesting. I like it.
You like it?
Did you?
Yeah. Doing test 2 with noise cancellation. Hello, hello. Hopefully it works. I smell heat. If you know what I mean. Anyway, yeah, today we are going to be making a Malibu type of drink. And yeah, and we're going to be joined here by the baby girl herself, Sage Approves. Yeah.